What's going on, guys? Cody here from KHC, and I'm out here with my boys Ted and Fred, but Zach actually has just pulled in a Jeep Wrangler, and there is an absolute killer list of goodies going on this thing to completely transform it into a trail warrior. So I think it's time to say goodbye to these guys and go see what Zach is up to. Come on. All right, guys, well, the video has come to an end. We have the Clayton 3.5-inch lift kit on here with the Falcon SP2 3.3 adjustable piggyback shock kit. And man, I must say this thing looks absolutely incredible. We added Adams drive shafts, Extreme Duty Series front and rear drive shafts. We added some brand new Nitto Ridge Grappler 37-inch tires and ended it off in the back with a Teraflex Alpha HD hinge spare tire carrier and adjustable spare tire mount kit. And I know the owner is gonna absolutely go wild when he sees it, when he's about to pick it up in a second. So guys, if you don't mind leaving a like on the video, maybe a comment down below as to what you would have done to the Rubicon if it was yours. And until next time, thank you guys for watching.